What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been about a month since I've uploaded a video, but I'm back today with another haircut tutorial, so let's get right into it. Alright y'all, so the cut's gonna be a high taper, so I'm gonna go ahead and set in my first guideline with my wall detailers. Now to bald out the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and use my box shaver. You wanna go ahead and set in your first guideline with your lever open, going up about 1/2 inch. Now we close that lever and flick out that bottom line, and now as we go up, we'll go ahead and open up that lever. Now with our one guard open, we'll go ahead and set in our next guideline, going up about another 1/2 inch. Now to take out that guideline, we'll go ahead and get our 1/2 guard. Close the lever all the way, flick out that bottom line, and as we go up, we'll open it up halfway. Alright y'all, now this is kind of new. This is my 1.5 guard open. It's my last guard now. It used to be my 2 guard all the way open, but now I changed it to my 1.5 guard all the way open. So we'll go ahead and set this guideline in as our last guideline. Now to take out that line, I'll use my one guard closed and flicking it out. Now since there is a lot of bulk on the side, I'll go ahead and get my comb and use my clipper over comb technique to get rid of that bulk. back is still the same thing. I'm gonna get my detailer and put in my guideline for the neck taper. Again, y'all, this is new. My 1.5 guard I use all the way open, pretty much a 2 guard to get rid of the bulk. I run that up about 2 inches maybe. Go ahead and set your next guideline with the lever all the way open about 1/2 inch to 1 inch up. Now get your box shaver and shave all that bottom hair off. Same thing with your lever closed to take out that bottom guideline, and remember, as you go up, open up your lever. Now to set in your next guideline with your 1 guard all the way open, go up about 1/2 inch. In a flicking motion with your 1/2 guard, you're gonna go ahead and take out that bottom line, and as we go up, open up that lever. Now with your 1.5 guard, setting your last guideline in a scooping motion. Now to take out that last line, we use our 1 guard open first and flick out, and if we need to, we'll close it, going down. Now to finish up the neck taper, we'll use the clip over comb technique. And remember, when you're using this technique, it's pretty much sculpting the hair to the desired look. That's pretty much gonna wrap up the cut. Let me just line them up and I'll show you all the finished product. Alright y'all, this is the cut. Hope y'all liked it. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, share the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.